Bradford, a small city in the north of England that so many people from across the world call their home. These are our voices.
We all have stories, but we don't all have a stage.
Life choices isn't always your life choice. I'm the individual who has that voice to be heard.
I see myself as an artist, but all I see is Salford, London and even Leeds.
I'm from Bradford, born and bred. But when I tell people it's all tuts and groans and sighs, is Bradford really so bad?
We are rich in culture, rich in pride. Why not come inside?